Are you looking for the best mirror dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best mirror dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Jansite 10-foot mirror dash cam rear view camera. The Jansite mirror dash cam is an upgraded version of the traditional rearview mirror that features a 10-inch full-touch screen display and dual 1080p front and rear cameras. The super night vision and 170 degrees wide-angle lens provide clear and detailed footage even in low-light conditions, while the 10-meter-long backup camera cable solves the issue of short cables during installation. The dash cam also includes a G-sensor, loop recording, and parking monitor functions, making it easy to adjust the view angle, shut off the display screen, and record videos. With easy installation and professional customer service, the Jansite mirror dash cam is an excellent choice for large vehicles and anyone looking for a safer and more convenient driving experience. Number 2. Veement VT10 mirror dash cam. Veement mirror dash cam offers an immersive visual experience with its 4K rearview mirror camera and 1080p backup camera. The effortless touchscreen control allows you to easily operate the 10-inch HD IPS display with touch gestures. With voice control, you can manage essential functions hands-free. The smart rearview mirror feature ensures safer driving by eliminating blind spots. The reverse assist automatically switches to the rear camera when in reverse gear, enhancing awareness. Enjoy clear images, simple operation, hands-free control, and enhanced safety with Veement mirror dash cam. Number 3. WOLFBOX G900 4K mirror dash cam. The WOLFBOX 4K mirror dash cam, model G930, is a smart rearview mirror camera that offers front 4K and rear 1080p resolution, with options to choose from 2.5K and 1080p for the front camera. The streaming media technology expands the visual range and effectively eliminates blind spots in the field of vision, providing a safer driving experience. The GPS tracking always-on feature allows you to view live speed and direction on the screen, and obtain valid GPS information by reviewing all recorded videos on the GPS player. The WDR tech balances the lights, providing clear visibility when driving at night. The parking monitoring mode provides enhanced security and peace of mind for your vehicle when parked, and the loop recording and G-sensor function provides continuous and secure recording monitoring while you are away. The Type-C interface can transmit higher rate, support higher current, and has a more refined and reliable structure. The package includes a free 32GB SD card and is backed by full 1-year warranty with 7 by 24 hours technical support. Number 4. WOLFBOX G900 PRO. The WOLFBOX G900 PRO is an advanced mirror dash cam that enhances your driving experience. With its impressive front 4K and rear 2.5K resolution, you can capture every important detail on the road. The Starvis 2 IMX678 technology ensures excellent image quality, even in low-light situations, giving you confidence during night drives. Additionally, the high-speed 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi allows you to quickly connect to the WOLFBOX app, making it easy to download and share videos. Voice control features also let you manage functions hands-free, allowing you to focus on the road while still accessing essential features effortlessly. Number 5. Pelsee P12pro 4K dash cam. The Pelsee 4K mirror cam offers an impressive combination of features designed to enhance your driving experience. With its superior 4K Ultra HD front recording and 1080p rear recording, you can capture every detail on the road, even at night, thanks to its advanced WDR technology. The built-in Wi-Fi allows you to easily connect to your phone, making it simple to manage your videos and share them on social media. Additionally, the Smart ADAS provides voice alerts for critical situations, ensuring you stay aware of your surroundings and drive safely. The blind spot detection feature monitors areas that your mirrors may miss, helping prevent potential accidents. Number 6. Pelsee P12pro 4K. The Pelsee P12pro 4K mirror dash cam is a great choice for those looking for a reliable and feature-rich rear-view mirror camera. It comes with ADAS collision avoidance technology, an intelligent BSD algorithm, 4K UHD dual camera, advanced voice control, GPS tracking, 24H parking monitor, loop recording, G-sensor, and time-lapse recording. It is easy to install and provides excellent video quality. Number 7. WOLFBOX G850 4K. The WOLFBOX G850 4K mirror dash cam is a top-of-the-line car camera system that features a 12-inch 4K front camera and WDR rear camera, Type-C interface, WDR/HDR technology, loop recording, G-sensor, parking monitor, reverse assistance, streaming media, rear cam flip and mirror, 32 GTF card and GPS included, and 1-year warranty and customer services. Customers have praised its high quality, convenient features, sharp picture quality, and easy installation.